I'm Hannah McElree in Omaha. Texas will have new congressional maps. Now there's an effort to redraw the ones in Nebraska. The Nebraska Examiner reported that the White House Office of Intergovernmental Affairs is bringing together state and local officials to discuss redistricting before the 2026 midterms. I met with State Senator John Kavanaugh, who's running for Congress in CD2, which covers most of Omaha and parts of Sarpy County. He told me no official talks have taken place at the legislature, but believes this is the Trump administration's attempt at swaying the 2026 midterms.
The Republicans and Trump have shown that they will go to any lengths to change the rules of the game to their benefit. If they don't think that they can win a fair election, they're going to try to rig the election.
Republican Brinker Harding is also running to replace Don Bacon. The Republicans sent me this statement about the idea of redrawing the district. "We hear from voters every day. And my message of safer streets, lower taxes, and bringing Nebraska common sense to Washington, D.C. will win no matter how the district lines are drawn." CD2 was redrawn in 2011 to remove Bellevue and add more rural areas of Sarpy and Saunders County. The last redistricting was in 2022. Crystal Rhodes and Denise Powell are also running for Bacon's seat and are against redrawing the map.
Having the most competitive district we can have is helpful. It's good for our democracy, it's good for our two-party system, and most people want to continue to have that.
This is truly changing the rules in the middle of the game. And I think Nebraskans, we really value honesty and integrity. This feels like none of that. This feels like politicians serving the will of one person.
Members of Governor Pillen's staff also made their way to Capitol Hill. A spokesperson told me the governor's chief of staff and policy director were both invited and are attending. Team Pillen has worked hard to build relationships throughout President Trump's administration, and we are always excited for opportunities to strengthen our partnership. The Nebraska Constitution allows the legislature to redraw the maps after each federal census every 10 years. Redrawing the lines outside of that time frame is technically legal, but unusual. In Omaha, I'm Hannah McElree.